So now let's quickly look at this application code. So the first step is this pubspec.yml file. So here you can see inside it we got this image picker dependency inside the dependency section. After that, open your lib and open this main.dot file. So inside this dot file, you can see our image picker related code. Firstly, we declared this image picker here, and then we are initializing it here. After that, we have this method image from camera and image from gallery, and inside it we are using this image picker.pick image method, and then we are specifying our image source to camera. So when this method will be executed, the camera will be opened and user can capture an image using camera. And once he will gonna capture the image, we will get this X file and we will convert it into a file variable. And we are gonna display this captured image using this underscore image inside our build method. Similarly, inside this image from gallery method, we are specifying the image source to gallery and we will get this X file. And then we will convert it into this file variable and display it inside our application view. Similarly, you can see inside both of these methods, after getting the image file, we are calling this doImageLabeling method. So we declared this method here, and inside this method, we are gonna write the code to perform image labeling. So once user will gonna choose or capture the image, we will get that image in a file format, and then we will call this method and perform image labeling. But of course, the code for that thing will be added later. So after looking at these methods, let's look at our build method so that we can understand that how this GUI is working. So here inside our build method, you can firstly see we got this container, and using the decoration property of this container, we are displaying this background image. So here inside this project, you can see we got this images folder and it contained two files. The first one is this bg.jpg, which is our background image, and then this frame.png, which is our frame image. And we are using both of these images inside our application layout as you have seen. So here firstly we are displaying this background image and then we added a scaffold. So there you can see inside this scaffold we got this stack, and inside this stack firstly we are displaying this frame image, and then above this frame image we are displaying this elevated button. And inside this elevated button we are displaying the image that user have selected or captured. So we are setting these listeners this on press and on long press. So when the user will gonna click on it, this image from gallery method will be called and we can choose an image from gallery. Similarly, when the user will gonna long click on it, then this image from camera method will be called and he can capture an image. And after that, we are displaying this container inside this elevated button, and in this container we are checking if this underscore image variable is not null, which means that user have selected or captured the image. So if that's the case, then we are displaying that image using this image.file function, and we are passing this underscore image here. Similarly, we have specified the width and the height of this image as well. And if this underscore image variable is null, which means that user did not selected an image or the application is launched for the first time, so in that case we are displaying this camera icon as you have seen previously. Similarly, below this frame, we are displaying our text widget, and we are displaying the text stored inside this result variable. So here you can see we declared this result variable here, and we stored results will be shown here. And later we are gonna use this variable to show the results of our image labeling model to the user. But for now we just stored this text here. So that's the GUI of this application, that user will gonna choose or capture the image, and once he will gonna choose or capture the image, we will display that image inside this frame. And now the next step is performing image labeling using the image that user have selected or captured. And we are gonna do that inside our upcoming lectures. So see you in the next lectures.